Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to look at some of the hidden gems in Planner Premium. These features can seriously level up your planning game, but they often fly under the radar. Whether you're just getting started or think you've seen it all, there's probably one thing here that you may have overlooked. Here at Advisicon, we help organizations achieve greater impact by leveraging work management technologies to accomplish more with less. As work management consultants and technology specialists, our focus is on streamlining processes, improving systems, and achieving better outcomes. Today, we're going to look at some underused features in Microsoft's Planner Premium. We'll walk through goal tracking, the timeline view, the people view, and some task history features that transform Planner from a basic task board into a project management powerhouse. Whether you're managing a small team or coordinating complex projects, these things can help you work smarter with the tools that you already have. But first, a little bit about me. My name is Scott Allen, and I am a Senior Project Portfolio Management Consultant here at Advisicon. My career in project management started back in the United States Navy and continued into my civilian career with managing many types of projects to include procurement, build-out, installation, and software development. I've used many different project management software tools and have implemented multiple on-premises instances of Microsoft Project Server as well as Project Online. I am excited to be presenting this webinar and hope it will be useful to you in managing your projects. Earl Nightingale, who was a radio speaker, author, and groundbreaking pioneer of the self-help movement, once stated that success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. This is especially true of project management. Yes, we have a deliverable, but how does that deliverable affect the strategic objectives of that organization, the stakeholders that it serves, and the long-term value it creates? Each milestone we reach isn't just a completed task. It's a step towards a meaningful outcome that drives progress, innovation, and purpose. Now, some of the most used capabilities include filtering on any data available in your plan, zooming the timescale in and out to specific dates. Now, all of these are helpful. However, these particular features are not limited to any particular view, and they can be used no matter where you are in Planner Premium. But you can use Planner Premium to set goals for your project and for individual tasks. Goals help teams stay focused on the big picture outcomes by linking key tasks and initiatives to measurable objectives. They act as higher level targets that guide work happening across multiple plans, and each goal can track progress automatically based on linking task completion, offering a real-time visibility into how day-to-day efforts contribute to strategic success. Shared priorities fosters a sense of ownership and collaboration and improves accountability until it becomes a natural part of the process. Measurable objectives will guide daily efforts, and actionable steps help a team stay organized. Real-time updates gives visibility into how work is advancing and helps pinpoint areas needing attention. To create a goal in Planner Premium, simply select the trophy icon in the ribbon and then add goal. Now, if you are not using Planner Premium, the goals icon will be grayed out. This will allow you to name the goal, set its initial progress, identify the end date, and connect it to specific tasks or a single task. In this example, the goal is linked to a specific task. Multiple tasks can be linked to one goal, allowing progress to update automatically as each task is completed. This gives a complete picture of how work contributes to an overall objective. Timelines keep the project moving, but dependencies tell you what needs to happen first and what can't happen until it does. The timeline view in Planner Premium gives a visual layout of tasks over time, showing start and due dates, durations, and dependencies in a clear interactive format. When you select the timeline view in the ribbon, if you're in Planner Premium, you will see a Gantt chart. If you are in regular Planner, what you will see is a calendar with tasks stretched across the days. So this timeline view gives you a Gantt chart view of the entire plan and allows for some basic schedule management. And it allows for many different actions. For instance, you can see that you can add tasks here. You can assign resources here. You can provide the start and the end date of the task. Look across the top of the Gantt chart and you can see that new task 1 goes from the 21st of May to the 28th of May. It also shows the dependencies. By simply grabbing the edge of the taskbar, the start and end date of a task can be manually adjusted, giving an immediate view of how the change in this one task affects the rest of the project. As you can see here, we have moved the task end date from the 28th of May to the 16th of June, and all the linked tasks have slid to the right as well. Grabbing the dot at the end of the line and connecting it to the follow-on task will create dependencies. These dependencies can either be finish start, as you can see on the screen, or finish finish, start start, or even start finish. People View is basically a heat map for your team. You'll quickly see who's overloaded and who's got bandwidth, which makes it easier to reassign tasks if needed. Selecting the People icon in the ribbon will bring you to the People View. The People View shows who has tasks, what's incomplete or late, and any workload imbalances. The task cards display key information like due dates, durations, status, and labels. If you notice that one resource has too much work, moving the task card to another resource will assign that resource to the card. For instance, if I moved a new task 3 from Scott over to David, then David would now be assigned to new task 3. Also, take a look at the new task 1 task card. The little trophy icon lets you know that that particular task is associated with a goal. Have you ever had a task move buckets and no one admits to doing it? Or if you need to know exactly what happened to a task during a particular period of time? The task history shows a full log, like a version history, but only for tasks. This is great for governance and for accountability. Task history is shown on the individual task card. For instance, if you want to see the changes made to new task 2, select the card and open it, and in the upper right-hand corner, find and select the rewind clock icon. A complete history of everything done to that task will be displayed on the right side of the task. This is perfect for accountability, troubleshooting, and governance. Not to mention putting the task back where it belongs after someone inadvertently moved it. As we can see on the screen in the new task 2 card, upper right-hand corner in the red box, we have that icon that I call the rewind button. So selecting that will bring up what you see further on the right, the tasks, what has happened to the task, when it is moved, when it has been completed, and so on. So taking a look at the task card, we see that the task is also not connected to any goals. But if we select connect a task to a goal, then with that task would have a goal assigned to it. We are going to take a look at that. This is the goals page for all of the appropriate or all of the current tasks within the Build a Plan project schedule. I can here select add goal and add the goal, and we're just going to call this this is a goal. And within that goal, I can add tasks. So I'm going to add the task, new task 2, to this goal. And here I can assign new people to the task. I'm going to assign myself, and I'm going to make it very important. Now that that task has been assigned, if I go back to the task board, we have another new task 2. This is the one that I have just created. So that way we can, and then coming back to goals, we can check as I complete that task how that goal is connected. Now I can move back to the board and I can select this task, and I can also connect it to other goals. So I have a goal of meeting the press. I have a goal of this is a goal, and a goal of meet the delivery date. I can connect tasks to goals that way, and when the goals are assigned, I have the little trophy within the goal. As you can see, Planner Premium is more than just a task board. It is a powerful project management tool with features designed to keep projects on track. I've only talked about 4 of these features. Goal tracking helps align teams around clear objectives and tracks real progress. The timeline view brings Gantt-style scheduling to the party, making it easy to manage dependencies and adjust to dates visually. The People View offers a quick snapshot of workloads across the team. And with task history, you get a full activity log for each task, ensuring transparency and accountability. Here's the best part. These features are available to use now. No extra apps, no extra cost, just smarter use of Planner Premium. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out. Your engagement is valuable to us. For any additional learning resources, explore our online academy. We have a variety of free trainings to enhance your skills. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.